to any of my wives. You don't send in my eyes. Swollen minds without no heart, so my silent and secret heart. Red is blaring silly tunes, empty speeches like hot air balloons. So much garbage, so many lies, rubbing sand right into our eyes. I say, I say,
To assume the glass of shades of wrong, he would come up.
he won't come out. He's afraid.
Child wants to know.
Wana ubata utiba. Wana ubata utiba. Now he's talking to really man, playing to break loose. Controls gone astray. So we sing of insanity. Just another day. It's the echoes of tomorrow which makes today worthwhile, and it's the memories of yesterday which give us strength to try and try again. Because in the circle of time, there's no use mourning. Yeah, no age is dawning. In the circle of time, stop rubbing sand in my eyes. You rubbing sand in our eyes. But it's the wind of centuries ago that's blowing up the hurricane. Through every thinking soul, it's blowing through the strings of the silent symphony. And speaking of the power of forgotten dignity, Mother Nature is weeping, all the truth is going astray. So we sing of insanity. Oh, just another day. Motor cars are swerving, all the cliffs of some crooked band, and many people fearing that this year will be the end.